In this video, I'm going to be discussing four reasons why most retail traders or most retail level investors struggle in the forex market. Number one is they have unrealistic expectation. You see, expectation is what will determine how you approach anything you do, your expectation from that particular thing. So most retail traders, they come into the forex market with a seemingly unrealistic expectation. It's like they want to just make it overnight in the forex market. And think about it, you want to play in a market that is not certain, a market that everybody all over the world is playing in, and you think you can control what happens in the market, and you are coming with an expectation that even if you start a conventional business, that you can say to a reasonable level, you can attest to the level of or the potential of that business yielding profit. Even if you start that in your local environment, you can be rest assured that your projection of the profit will still be affected by unforeseen circumstances. Not to now talk of when you are dealing with a global market like the forex market. So the reason why this discussion is very central is because if you will be starting forex trading, and or maybe you want to give it a consideration, there is need for you to structure your expectation. You must have a structured expectation, whether you are going to structure your expectation in terms of on a monthly basis, or on a quarterly basis, or annual basis. Because the reason why people struggle and they eventually leave forex or abandon trading forex is because they were thinking, this thing is going to make me become a billionaire overnight. Meanwhile, such a person is trading with $50, maybe $100, at max maybe $1,000, and they are looking at making from $1,000 to making like maybe $500,000, or making two million US dollars within 2 weeks. And of course, I'm not going to blame them. I'm not going to blame them, because in the forex market we have people that they have carved a business out of the content creation aspect of the industry. So they tend to load an average um, retail trader with unrealistic results that they themselves they can attest to. But of course, on the back end, they can always manipulate things and come up with something that looks like results, which of course is not going to be the reality of their trading on a consistent basis. So the number one reason why retail traders struggle in forex market is unrealistic expectation. And I want you to really guide your expectation if you want to start this journey, because of the truth, forex trading is something you want to give a consideration, but there is need for you to have a guided or structured expectation. The second reason why most retail traders struggle in forex is what I call survival mode. Most retail traders are trading from a survival point of view. What do I mean by that? Is either the person borrow the money to trade, or have a particular money that is meant for a particular project. He was now like, let me put this money there, let me see if I can flip the money. You see, you cannot play successfully in the forex market from a survival perspective or survival mode. That is why it's very crucial. By the time, in fact, we advise people, if you are to join our trading system, we advise people to ensure that they set aside a particular amount of money that they know that they can let go for the next 6 months. Because it is expected that once you start trading, your survival will not be connected to the outcome of that trade on the short run. So retail traders, they connect their survival, I want to my feeding money, my house rent, they connect it to to their trading account, and that alone makes them unable to navigate the uncertainty of the market. So if you, because the essence of this message is so that you can listen to this and ask yourself if you really want to go this route, knowing fully well that forex trading is a passive, is expected to be a passive stream of income to you, an investment streams of income that is passive. So if you want to take this route, or you want to give this a trial, there is need for you to ensure that you detach your surviving from your trading account. Any money you will fund, ensure that this money is something you are ready to, not as if you will lose all the money entirely, but it's something you are ready to just stack for maybe 6 months. Then after the 6 months, you can now look at, okay, what is the outcome, or what is the yield from this particular money that I've invested. Okay, so any retail trader that trade from the standpoint or a survival mode, they will continue to struggle in the forex market. The third reason why most retail traders struggle in the forex market is what I call, I'm not comfortable losing. Many retail traders, they just say it theoretically that no problem, anything happen, life is a risk, let us risk it. But the truth is, they are not comfortable losing. In fact, they are not comfortable with the fact that losses are part of the game. So if you want to start this journey, or you are already into it and you are looking at should you continue or not, you need to first come to terms that in this industry, losses are part of the game. In fact, there is a book that says the best losers win, by Tom Uga. You need to come to terms with the fact that losses are part of the game. In fact, the losses are what makes the trading journey interesting. Believe me, because just imagine it that you can sit in one corner with your phone or your laptop and you predict what a market that is traded globally will do, and you will do that all the time and you will be correct all the time. It's not possible. So if you want to start this journey of trading in the financial market, which I advise that you start, you need to tell yourself, you need to come to the terms with the fact that losses are part of the game. Now, the last reason why most retail traders struggle in the forex market is what I've discussed this in one of my videos, where I said what you need is a system, not a strategy. Most retail traders, they don't have a trading system. All they have is one strategy somewhere that they maybe they follow somebody and they think, okay, let me use this person's strategy. And you will notice that over time they will be caught in what I call the circle of doom. Circle of doom is when you move from one strategy this month to another strategy next month to another strategy the coming month. It's because you are not trading with a trading system. Now, if you are to start this journey of trading in the financial market, you need to identify a trading system. I will encourage you to listen to that my video where I differentiate between a trading system and a trading strategy. A trading system will give you an overall picture of everything that will help you to be successful in the forex market. If you are really interested and you really want to start this journey, regardless of some of these reasons that I've mentioned, of course, this should not be a discouraging reasons why you not start. Now, I will add to the description of this video the summary draft of our trading system. Just download the summary draft and go through the trading system. It's an holistic trading system that I believe any forex trader can apply and make money consistently from the financial market. Thank you for listening. God bless you.